In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the app icons on the Mac. In this demonstration, we'll use two simple folders. However, this will work on any app that you have on your Mac. What you first want to do is search out an image to add to the folder. In this case, we want to look out for a book. So we have this image here. What you want to do is right click on the image and copy image. And then you want to come to your folder what you want to change. You want to right click it and then come down to get information. Then you want to highlight the folder at the top left here, as you can see. When you click it once, it's highlighted. You click away, it comes unhighlighted. So you want it highlighted. And once it's highlighted, you want to come up to edit and then select paste. And this will change the folder image. As you can see on the desktop, the folder has changed to an image. This makes organising your Mac much easier. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip, and thank you for watching.